How do I know if my catalytic converter is failing? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So a catalytic converter can fail catastrophically. And if it melts down, it can plug the exhaust and then your engine will either not run or have very little power. It can also come apart and rattle. Some of the shields on it can rattle around. So those are some more of what I would call mechanical failures. Then a catalytic converter can fail because it's not as efficient as it should be. And when that happens, it turns the check engine light on. Now it's tax season, and a lot of people will want to be fixing some of these more expensive repairs. Let me just give you a word to the wise on catalytic converters. Let the buyer beware on price, because oftentimes you can buy an inexpensive one. It'll get your light off, get you through emissions, but then about 4 months later, the light comes back on. Also, if you have an engine that burns oil, it will typically take out the catalytic converters a little more often. Hope this has been informational to you. And until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.